Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi using an easy method. First, select a good quality short-grain sushi rice. Rinse it several times until the water is completely clear, which removes excess starch. Then, cook the rice with an equal amount of water, for example, 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water, either in a rice cooker or on the stovetop. This ensures a sticky, yet fluffy texture. Once your rice is cooked, it's time to season it. In a small bowl, whisk together about 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt until dissolved. Gently pour this mixture over the warm rice in a large, non-metallic bowl. Use a cutting motion with a spatula to fold the seasoning in, being careful not to mash the grains. Allow the rice to cool to room temperature before assembling your sushi. Now for the fun part, assembling your sushi rolls. Place a sheet of nori, the dried seaweed, shiny side down on a bamboo rolling mat. Moisten your hands slightly to prevent sticking, then spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving a 1-inch strip at the top. Arrange your chosen fillings, like cucumber, avocado, or cooked fish, horizontally across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, as this makes rolling difficult. With your fillings in place, it's time to roll. Lift the edge of the bamboo mat closest to you, bringing it over the fillings and pressing down gently to create a tight cylinder. Continue rolling forward, applying even pressure until the roll is complete. Moisten the exposed edge of the nori with a little water to seal it. Finally, use a very sharp, damp knife to slice your roll into 6 or 8 equal pieces. Serve immediately with soy sauce, pickled ginger, and wasabi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.